Hello and welcome to another quick tip session from SI Imaging. In today's session, we're going to address the following question. Can I load, analyze, and save living image files in SII or software? The short answer is yes. Now, before demonstrating this, what I'd like to bring to your attention is the existence of a tech note going through the steps of individual and sequences of living image file uploads into Aura that you can make ready reference to in the future after today's tutorial. Here we are at the home page of Aura, and to access a previously saved I.V.I.S image, we'll go to File, Load Living Image Click Folders. We'll get selected. We'll then go to our set of living image files, and we'll select a single I.V.I.S image to load at the moment. And this will be located in this test folder. And you simply need to click the Click Info file associated with the image, hit open, and there you have it. We now have a I.V.I.S image opened up in Aura to be analyzed by Aura. By default, in the process of opening up this image into Aura, you have saved the .ami file automatically, and we can go ahead and proceed to do an analysis of the thigh signal with an elliptical ROI, do a couple copy paste, actions here so that we can analyze the signal on all four mice. As per usual, these ROI values can be exported as a CSV file from this table format, and the ROIs themselves can be saved along with the image as a .aura file, and this can be done readily by just going down to Save Experiment. Okay, and if we want to go ahead and just confirm the saving of this previous I.V.I.S image as a .aura file, we can go ahead and clear the slate here. And now select Load Experiment. There's our file as a .aura file, and open that up. And there we have it, a opened up single I.V.I.S image file that has been analyzed, data ready for export, and the ROI analysis saved as a .aura file. So now let's load a sequence of I.V.I.S image files. This can be done again by going to File and selecting Load Living Image Click Folders. In this instance, we will go ahead to a prepared folder of living image sequence files, and I can click any one of these. I'll just click the bottom one, and you'll see in the case of more than one images being saved as a sequence, there is a sequence info file, and you select that and select open. And so there we are. We now have a sequence of I.V.I.S images that have been opened up in Aura, and again, these will be saved as a group of images by Aura. So as per usual, when you're doing an analysis of a set of images, whatever you do can be cross-applied to all the images. Let's go ahead by way of an example for annotation and select the Excite Emit. And as per usual, if we'd like, we of course can do an ROI analysis of signal on one image and have that cross-applied to all the images in the grouped images. And this, of course, analogously, the data of the ROI can be exported as a CSV file, opened up in Excel, and saved as a worksheet. All right, so in summary, we have shown you how to load living image files into Aura, either as single files or as sequences of living image files, to then go ahead and conduct analyses on these files. As was demonstrated, we did an ROI analysis and saved it as a .aura file. There are, of course, many other analytical techniques available to you here in Aura, and I invite you to check out our range of Aura tutorial videos that are available online from our webpage. Finally, here's to easy, convenient analysis of your living image files on our Aura software platform. Thank you for your attention, and here's to great imaging.